Sales experts teach us to build pipelines, but my experience is that coaches really love sowing seeds. And it got me to think about what we use as metaphors for these, because pipelines, I imagine it pump product through. It's very valuable stuff. It's like ever flowing. And from a business perspective, yeah, that's what we want, right? We want the product to be flowing. We want the value to be flowing. Like, this is great, right? But it's also quite industrial. Seeds is something that turns into life. It turns into its own being. It turns into a beautiful tree that spends more life, gives more life to other people. It's a piece of nature. It's something that is evolving. It's something that is vivid. You know, it's so beautiful to think about sowing seeds. And we do it all the time. Every interaction that we have, we're potentially sowing some seeds, because coaching is a relationship business, right? Clients tend to come not because you're the one who's specifically solving a particular problem that exists. And many coaches create a solution to a very clear product. And then it's less about the relationship. It's more about having the solution to a problem, right? But most coaching happens in that space of relationships. And that sometimes takes a while. So the beginning of a relationship is sowing a seed, and the planting of an idea can be a seed, or a challenging question can be a seed. And seeds have this tendency to not care whether you want to speed up the process, right? Yes, we've managed as a species to accelerate processes of growing food, for example, but they rarely get to the kind of product that we would value the same way as we would value in coaching, right? Things that get pushed through and accelerated a lot and optimized in terms of how long it takes, they rarely reach the same level of quality as something that is being given time to grow. And that throws some coaching into a dilemma, because often coaching is seen still as an accelerator, as something that gives results fast. And depending on what you bring to the coaching space, that can be counterproductive, or it can be exactly what you want. Right? So I'll leave you with this idea of what you're building, and can you build a pipeline but then also sow seeds? Or what would be a pipeline of seeds look like? So I'm curious what your reflections on this are.